What do towable trailers, RVs, campers, and classic cars have in common? None of them have direct TPMS, which means owners have been in the dark about their tire health, including temperature and pressure, and your business hasn't had a way to service them until now. Introducing AirCheck BLE, the universal retrofit TPMS solution that brings more insights, control, and confidence to drivers of any light-duty vehicle or towable, no matter the age or type. AirCheck BLE delivers real-time data on pressure and temperature and sensor battery status for every tire, so drivers know immediately if there is an issue and can take action. And it does it all with just 3 components. First, AirCheck BLE sensors are installed inside the tire. They use advanced Bluetooth low-energy technology for reliable BLE communication and battery power that provides uninterrupted protection year after year. Configuring AirCheck BLE for a longer vehicle and not a passenger car? Our rechargeable range extender expands reach up to distances longer than 2 football fields, the longest in its class, and transmits data in real time, even in high interference areas. Once sensor installation and range extender placement are complete, the AirCheck BLE mobile app puts critical real-time tire health information at drivers' fingertips or dashboards with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay integration. In fact, it's the first time drivers are able to see temperature, pressure, and sensor battery status all in one screen. The AirCheck installation process is straightforward, simple, and wireless, and is done through the user-friendly app. In fact, installers can initiate setup in just seconds using their phone or tablet, then transfer the configuration to the driver instantly via a QR code. Best of all, AirCheck BLE's platform supports every light-duty vehicle, making safety, convenience, and peace of mind standard for your customers and new opportunities possible for you. AirCheck BLE. Start every journey with confidence.